Heavy rainfall has now triggered severe waterlogging at the Andheri subway in Mumbai, disrupting traffic movement. Visuals, of course, you can see on your screens, viewers. From the spot, they show stretches of the subway submerged under rainwater, even as the city continues to receive intense monsoon showers. Now, commuters are, of course, facing major inconvenience, with vehicle movement already affected in this area. Shweta still with us on the broadcast. We've been seeing reports over the past week or so, of train cancellations having taken place, of traffic snarls being reported as well due to waterlogging. And now in Andheri, there's another subway that has witnessed waterlogging, due to which yet again traffic has been disrupted. What can Mumbaikars expect today so far? We do know that there is an orange alert in place.
Well, that's right. As per IMD, today Mumbai has been sounded with an orange alert, and owing to this, the schools in Mumbai have been asked to remain shut. In fact, the circular was issued by the BMC and the authorities over here. Apart from this, as we are seeing the visuals from Andheri subway, being a Mumbaikar, I can surely say this for sure. Every year, in fact, every time monsoon hits, Andheri subway is the one spot which is severely waterlogged, no matter what. And every year we have been doing the ground reports from the very same spot. Every day, rather, in monsoon, Andheri subway gets totally submerged in water, and it is again the time where the traffic is rerouted. There are diversions that takes place, and people are asked not to commute through the Andheri subway. So clearly, this visuals what we are currently seeing on your screen is from 6 a.m. and with the rain of 2 to 3 hours, we have been seeing how Andheri subway is totally submerged in water. In fact, the in and around area is also inundated, and near about the place also BMC have been claiming that they have put up this suction pipe that is somewhere put very less to use, I guess, because every time with 2 hours of rain, Andheri subway is such a spot that gets totally submerged in water.
All right, Shweta, one last piece of information that we're tracking from Mumbai.